after the rain, of course, going into the weekend. We've got 38 degrees for wind chill values right now in the Tri, although we're sitting in the 40s. So not a big deal. If you're out and about, you can manage that pretty easily. But if you're up in the mountains, those wind chill values in the 20s when you're sitting in the 30s and maybe out skiing or trying to get out and about, you're going to be much colder. So you need to have those extra layers there. Winds are going to be much more intense along the Blue Ridge Parkway a little later tonight. Temperatures sitting at 44 degrees right now. Wind gust speeds are still up there, but going to get worse. They could be as high as 50, even 55 miles an hour in spots around the mountains as we go into the overnight hours. And it gets better afternoon tomorrow. So wind gust speeds out there could come up also to the east of the mountains, and it's going to be brisk at times once we go into the late night hours. That's what we'll have to contend with. Our temperature changes over the last 24 hours, 10 degrees warmer. We love it in Greensboro. You're at 45 right now in Burlington, 48 in uptown Lexington to 47 in Troy. We should have some low 50s here easily. We do have a few of those high thin clouds, shouldn't keep us from warming more. We will expect to see those westerly winds help do the trick today. Should take us near 50 and again 50s tomorrow, all thanks to this milder flow. But the winds are going to become a bit stronger, in part because we've got this low level jet stream wind speed. You can see it here as we go into Thursday early morning. It really centers up along the Virginia and western areas of the Blue Ridge Parkway. And for now, we're just starting to see it get going. And so that's what we're waiting on right now. Those winds, as they start to peak overnight, could blow some things around, but also makes travel more difficult for those high profile vehicles. Mid-level jet stream wind speeds too. You can see stronger winds starting to dive in as we get you going through your early Thursday morning. So we've got a couple of features here to help with the pressure gradients, and we've got that wind advisory that'll go into effect tonight at 9, and we see that for Sparta. That includes Allegheny County all the way up through Stewart this time, and including areas of Galax and West Jefferson, Boone, Blowing Rock, and Banner Elk areas. The western ridges, the higher elevations, those are the folks who are going to see some of the stronger gusts, but you need to be prepared there. Forecast wind chill for you. You can see we're in the 20s for feels like temperatures by 10 o'clock tonight, and you're going to feel like the 20s as well, lower 20s that is, for folks in the foothills by then. In the Piedmont Triad, you're going to feel closer to the freezing mark, even as we might be a few degrees warmer as we ring in the new year. And early tomorrow morning, wind's still a big issue for folks in the mountains, but getting better as we head through middle of the day. So that's the good news. So winds will have an impact for us everywhere as we go. And temperatures out there, as we mentioned, in the 30s, we have those impacts on for you overnight. We'll take a closer look at those temperatures too for you throughout the day and have more on your New Year's forecast. 50 degrees on your Wednesday, 51 on Thursday. And we've got those rain chances again on Saturday. And it does look like we might see some measurable rainfall from the system.